Hi, my name is Dina Spinoza. I had a facial vertical restore, I had a fat transfer, I had fillers done with Dr. Karam. I decided one day to get online and just start doing research on doctors. At that particular time, I had not known anyone in my personal circle, in my family that had ever got a facelift. I had a fat transfer, so I started doing the research on my own. I started looking at different doctors' credentials, and ultimately I narrowed it down to coming in and seeing Dr. Karam. So when I walked in, I had no idea exactly what I was going to need done. With me verbally letting him know what it was that I didn't like, and with his listening skills, he was able to thoroughly come back and make a game plan. So moving forward, I knew what it was that I was going to need to get done to achieve my goals. The rest of the staff is very consistent with making me feel like I'm at home. I had many questions. Every single time I had a visit, walking in here, I had questions, and they were very welcoming and just consistent with their overall demeanor of being very friendly. What also helped make it very pleasant was my communication with Dr. Karam. He had laid out a map and provided me with pamphlets and vitamins to take prior to the procedure and after the procedure. But just our thorough communication throughout this process has helped me prepare for the recovery process. This surgery has changed my life because I feel more confident. I have my sense of well-being back. I'm able to attend social gatherings with my friends. I feel like myself. I can look in the mirror now, and what I see is what I feel inside. I am so happy I have this done. I would tell someone who's thinking about getting any type of procedure done with Dr. Karam to go for it.